Thank you, Doy. Thank you, Raymond. And to all our guests, friends, and partners here. You're just about to be safe zone. Don't worry, it's not likely to cut the sun. The zone we are talking about, Voyager and Smart and Sun, is the kind that we all want to be. A safe space where we see familiar things like BPI, airlines, etc. And a safe space where it's worry-free. Because who doesn't want to have a worry-free internet experience with the best digital brand? No data cap and without incurring mobile data charges. Welcome to Safe Zone, Voyager's platform that enables companies to reach out to their customers whenever they are through their mobile phones. The first screen we look at in the morning and the last one we check at night. Call it a pivot, a scale up, a reinvention. This has the classic elements of innovation case study. What we had started as a radical innovation 3 years ago with the help of Mitch Padua, speech around. So Mitch started SmartNet 3 years ago. We now have pivoted and did a couple of sustaining innovations. So this is what you now see as Safe Zone. An evolution of our internationally recognized SmartNet in true accelerator fashion. Voyager made it even better by making it a digital product. Let's talk what and why of Safe Zone. What is Safe Zone? For the enterprise, Safe Zone is a way to reach and engage customers who are internet users who may sometimes not go online because of lack of active mobile subscription. Or maybe they're not keen to surf the web or do an online transaction because they're afraid of shelling out more than what they intended to. What's Safe Zone for the consumer? Safe Zone is where you go to find what mobile apps and sites can be accessed free of charge and without hitting a data cap. It is a safe way to explore the internet for social, information, lifestyle, and e-commerce. Why Safe Zone? Because the future is mobile. We have seen the growth of smartphone in the Philippines, and it's at par with US and China at around 30 to 35% range during the past 2 years. However, mobile data usage is not at par. Safe Zone can help close this gap. More importantly, we have seen in the developed countries a shift in utilization of online or data. We have seen a 60-40 split between mobile and PC, where mobile now leads in the developed countries. Here in the Philippines and most emerging markets, we will bypass the PC stage and jump onto mobile. So that's the opportunity and that's the why. And with our 69 million subscribers at Smart and Sun, who will enjoy being Safe Zone, the service is a win-win situation. By offering free access to businesses, their apps and their sites, Safe Zone enhances the value proposition of brands to their customers. So their users are better served and companies are more efficient. This platform will open the door to more companies and will enable them to take advantage of this powerful partnership. I hope you are liking what you're hearing so far. By March 2, everyone on Smart and Smart will have a choice to be fully Safe Zone. And soon after our Sun subscribers. Let me call on Dindo, our Safe Zone product manager or product head, to give us a quick rundown of Safe Zone.
Thank you, Benji. So this would be really quick. I'll just show you 3 very important features why we are confident that Safe Zone will be able to change the mobile surfing behavior of the Filipinos. First, load protect. To do load protect, you just need to go to smart.safezone.ph and turn on your load protect. So it's just an easy toggle as that. Next, there's a Safe Zone link there. You go to the Safe Zone, you click on the Safe Zone link, and you'll be driven to the Safe Zone homepage, which will give you the social features that we currently have. Here, you click on the menu icon in the Safe Zone homepage, right there. And then, click on social, and you will be asked to actually register. It's so easy, you just provide your username and password, or you can even just sign in using your Facebook account. Once registered, you link your Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram accounts. And you'll have your feeds already for you. So if you allow the Instagram to give you the feeds through Safe Zone, you will be able to see your feeds right away. The third and the most exciting feature are basically, of course, the free services. These free services can be accessed by any smart subscriber who goes to the Safe Zone homepage. If you click on See All, the list will be here. Everyone, all those who partnered with us to be part of the Safe Zone ecosystem. So with that, I give the floor back to Benji.